So let's talk about the circle tool in this video. Let's just grab it from the large toolbar set or use the C as a short key. So the first click actually specifies the midpoint and the second click will actually determine the radius of your circle. Now as always, you can use the space key to end the tool. So the one thing that you'll notice as a beginner in SketchUp is that SketchUp doesn't make smooth circles by default. So now let's look at how we can create smooth circles in SketchUp. In order to do that, first let's make another circle with a radius of 2 meters. So type in the value and then hit the enter key. Now just make sure that you don't end the tool, and right after that enter 96s and then just hit the enter key. The S actually stands for sides. And this is the way how you can create smooth circles in SketchUp. So the last thing which I wanted to show you guys is, for example, you have made a circle and you want to change the radius without erasing the circle. In order to do so, just make sure that you haven't ended the tool yet. For now, let's say that you want to change the radius of the circle to 1 meter. In order to do so, just enter the value 1 meter and hit the enter key. And there we have it.